Hi, it's Kathy, Crafty Chica. Thank you for checking out my YouTube channel. Before we start on this fabulous project, don't forget to subscribe and click the notification button so you can see every time I have a new video. This is what we are doing today. We are using these little mini disco mirrors to cover a corazón sagrado, a sacred heart. I just went to Amazon or Walmart.com and you can buy these little mini mirrors. Now you can look in my description. I have my affiliate links there to everything here. The wood hearts are a little bit hard to find, but I did put a link to where you can find at least a few of them. Now you can see these mirrors are silver, so it's best to base coat this in silver or gray, and that way if there's any little gaps in the mirrors, you won't really be able to tell because the underneath will be the same color. And let's get started. All right, we're going to take our silver paint. Be any kind of craft paint, it doesn't have to be super high quality. We're just adding a little coat of silver, so this one, or gray. So this one I have half done, and I'm just going to add a thin coat on this side. Okay, so I have this painted, and I'm just gonna let this dry a little bit before we add the mirrors. While this is drying, I'm going to show you another type of sparkle. I have been all about the sparkle crafts recently. Check out this little piñata planter. This is a ceramic piece that I designed, but I thought instead of painting it, I would add these little flat back crystals. And we'll get to that later. This looks pretty dry. So what we're going to do now is we're going to add the little mini mirrors. Here are the mini mirrors. Oh, okay, anyway, we're going to cut off a piece like this, and you can set this aside. And remember, these are sharp. That's why we're wearing the gloves. And then you take your scissors and just go through and cut the strips like this. Don't cut all of them because we're gonna play it by ear as we go along. Every shape is different, and you want to make sure you have enough to get all of those little spots. So I'm gonna cut 3 of these, and it has an adhesive backing, so we're just going to peel off that little backing. And I'm not going to peel all of it. I'm just going to start right here and press it around. This is why you want to make sure your paint is dry, otherwise it won't stick. So I did 1 row all the way around, and now I'm gonna measure that, just eyeball it, cut another little piece like this. So you know, I'm feeling pretty comfortable now that I'm not handling the big piece. Just to do these little pieces, I'm gonna take off my gloves because it's easier. When you're holding the big roll, yeah, wear your gloves, but it will just be easier to put this together like this. If you feel uncomfortable, go ahead and wear the gloves. I am making a conscious choice to live dangerously with my crafts right now. And then you just go around like that. So there is the first layer. Press it into place. And now we can start going down like this. So this one you can see I just kept going all the way around and filled in right here. I'm going to try something different with this. If you don't feel like the adhesive backing is enough, you can do what I'm doing and add some extra strength permanent adhesive, and this will secure it much better. I'm just going to clip this. Okay, so I have all of the bottom done. You could see the layer underneath where I went all the way around, and then I added these in rows going vertically. Again, it's up to you if you want to go horizontal, if you want to go around the shape of the heart. Now I'm going to add some up here. Okay, we have two versions. This one is the wood heart. I added a little hanger on the back. The whole thing is covered in the mini mirrors, all of the sides of it. This one, I painted it silver. I added the mirrors on the front and on all the sides. And then I left the silver and I added some little painted accents there. So I think these will look really cute as a set together. Oh wait, I forgot, I want to show you one more thing. Another sparkle project. I'll make it fast. The flat back crystals. Okay, this is what I do. I like using these little flat back crystals. Again, I have the link in my description. These are the SS10 size. And look, I even keep them in a little tin like this. This is how often I use these. And this is my current work in progress. It's going to take too long for me to finish it here, but I want to show you what I'm doing. So you just pour a little bit of crystals like this, and then you can tap it like this so that they land face down. And you just simply go in with your glue like that. And then use your little crystal picker upper and add it just like that. Got done right there. At the end, this whole thing is going to be covered. So that's why you have to subscribe and get the notifications so that you can see when I'm finished with this little piñata crystal planter. Okay, now thank you so much for watching. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe, and tell me your favorite craft. What are you working on right now? Let me know in the comments. Thanks, guys. Bye-bye.